ass nigga, you know. You know, handsome ass nigga, you know, pretty nigga. Shorty wanna ball with a chick. This shit is all y'all me. Okay, boys, about a whole lot of shit, and basically, it's basically stuff that is preparing myself for the fall, and you could call it like a fall pickups, but it's actually stuff that I pick up during the summer. But these are actually my favorite stuff that I picked up, and I thought I could share with you guys. Even though I said I wasn't gonna do like pickup shit, I mean, I'm kind of feeling this one, so that's what I'm gonna do. So for the first thing I got is actually by a brand called StaatsBallett. Most of you already probably know this brand. It's basically by Avery and Kaylee. Both of them are really great designers in my opinion. I wanted to get something from their first collection, but I couldn't. I was a little bit of a broke boy at that time. But this collection, I really wanted to get something, and they did like a pop-up in New York. Me and my sister actually went, and that day was like sort of kind of unforgettable for me because I kind of looked up to Avery for a long time when I was like just getting into fashion. He was actually one of my first YouTubers that I ever watched, and he actually put me onto so many fashion shit. And also Fernando Rangel, he also, probably a lot of you guys know him too. He was there too. Like, we got there late, but like we still got to see them, and they were actually like really cool people. Like, both of them are like really chill, and like even though the pop-up ended, they still decided to like sell me a shirt, and I was like really happy about that. So yeah, this is like a size medium. One of the things that I like about it is the color. It's like a lavender color. It's different from all the other shirts that I have, because all shirts that I have are like boxy fitted, but this one is like more slim. The sleeves are more shorter compared to the other ones, and the material is like more thinner. But I like it a lot. Like, it's really soft, and like if it's hot during the summer or any day in fall that it's like hot, you could just put this on and you'll be cool right away. So it has like 3 lanterns on it, and then a tower here. Oh, by the way, it's called the, oh yeah, I think I said it, the Leo Loro cap t-shirt. It has a stone lavender pigment dye, so basically like they tied it. It wasn't like a blank shirt. That's the thing I like about it. It's kind of like increases the quality. I like that it has like a gothic theme to it, like the graphic. That's what I like about it a lot. And other than that, it's just like a simple shirt. Shout out Avery, Kaylee, and Fernando also, because I really love your brand, and you guys are like the best. I think a lot of people agree as well. I think you guys should definitely check out StaatsBallett. They have like really like unique fitted t-shirts and like pants, especially their pants. Their pants are like really fire. I really wanted the brown ones. Everything from that brand is like really cool, and you could tell like the quality is always there. The design is always there. I think Kaylee and Avery are really good at designing clothes. I think for the price it's pretty fair. The second shirt I got was this one. It's by a brand called Popstar Love. But one of the things that actually happened was like it was one of the worst customer service like ever for me for buying like a shirt. So basically I bought it in like June. I was like really excited to get it. It was just $32, so I know I'm like kind of like, I don't want to exaggerate that much, but like there's other people who also bought it. A lot of people commented on his like post, and they said like, when are you gonna ship it, and he just like never replied. He never posted a story on like shipping updates or anything like that. He just like completely ghosted everybody, and even I DM'd him like many times. He would answer like once, and then after that he would never answer again. That was honestly like really annoying, and I had to like file a PayPal claim, and then like 2 days later I just saw this shipped to my house, and I ordered it since June all the way to like September, late September. That's when I got this shirt, which is like, honestly, no one should go through that, because it's really annoying when you want to support a brand and like nobody ships it. You're just basically kind of like scamming. But I don't know, I'm happy I got the shirt, so I'm gonna wear it. I'm not gonna return it because like, just because of that. If I like something, I'm just gonna wear it, obviously. But like, if you're gonna like do that, I'd rather not like support and stuff. Enough of that little rant. And if you do buy from him, I'm just letting you guys know as like a precaution. Alright, so this shirt is like it's kind of like a rainbow theme style. So it says right here, it has like rhinestones and everything, different colors. So we have like a multicolor of like rhinestones, and it just says Popstar Love on the top, and then on the sides it says Unity. And then it has a cool anime graphic on it. I think the anime graphic is really cool. I really like watching anime, which is one of the reasons why I got this shirt, because there's not a lot of brands who do like anime shirts, and I think
they're like missing out, because anime honestly has like really cool graphics in it. Unfortunately though, I don't know what anime this one is. So if you guys do know, like, please comment it down below. I kind of want to watch it. It looks like interesting. But yeah, other than that, it has like a rainbow on the back, and I think it's like really fire because like it's a black shirt, but yeah, it's like really colorful at the same time, and I like that a lot. It also fits. It has like a boxy fit. I'm not sure. I think it's on a blank, to be honest. The collar is like tight fitting on the neck, and then everything else is more of a boxy fit. It's true to size as well. Retail was like 32. The next thing is by a brand called Siberia Hills. The designer is Daft from this brand. This also has like an anime style to it. It's less colorful than that one, but I think it's still really cool. It just has 3 basic colors, which are like white, black, and purple. This one has like a looser neck. The sleeves are more longer than that one. I just like the fit of this one way more than the other one. I think this is on a blank as well, but I'm not 100% sure. But it just says Siberia Spirit on it, and then it has No Face on it. The character's name is No Face. It's by a Gilby movie called Spirited Away. It's a really good movie. Honestly, like when I watched it, like it kind of moved me a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Like it was actually a good movie, and I suggest you guys to watch it too if you do watch anime. In Japanese, it's called Kaonashi. I think that's how you pronounce it. If I pronounce it wrong again, please don't roast me. English sub version too. No dub versions. We don't fuck with that. And then, so yeah, it has like flowers on the side. It's like a purplish color. It's not like lavender purple like the StaatsBallett shirt. It's more of a darker purple. And next is like pants. These pants, bro, I fucking love these pants so much. So basically, it's by a brand called Guitarboy Archive. This brand is like so fire. It's kind of low key, but I think it's blowing up a bit. It's run by a guy named Delos. He's like fucking fly as fuck. Guitarboy Archive basically has like a lot of cut and sewn pieces, and they recently been doing a lot of like tie-dye pants as well, and cut and sewn pants. They also do like stacked pants like that flares out the bottom. Honestly, really like how it flares. I think this brand is like really underrated, and it definitely deserves like more spotlight. But yeah, this one thing about these pants is actually like one of one, which is like crazy to me, because like I don't know, it has like more meaning to me. Delos, I remember he posted this on his like Instagram, I think. He said like this pair of pants is like one of one, and he's gonna sell it like in a pop-up, something like that. That pop-up wasn't in like New York. I was like super like annoyed by that, because I really wanted to get it, and a person got it from there, right? I was just on Grailed one day, and then I found these pants there. I was like so fucking hyped. Retail was like 200, I think, or 220. And I got it for like 130 or 120, I forgot. But like I got it and I was like so hyped. It's basically one-on-one. It's a size 32. The theme of the pants are like, it has colors like pink and like brown and white all around the pants. I think that's so fire. And it's kind of, I think it's on a Levi's pants because it has like the stitching. But honestly, I don't really care because I love how Levi jeans fit. And it's like the best denim basically. And like it's a size 32. Even though I'm like a 30, I still can fit it as long as I wear like a belt. And I honestly really don't care because I love these pants so much. I think these pants are like really fire. You could wear it with like anything. And yeah, I was like really happy when I got this. Also, Delos came to New York, and it was like a pop-up with Ellie Kong. So at that time, I didn't get to buy anything from Guitarboy Archive. It wasn't anything my size. I wanted like a top to buy for like the fall, and there wasn't anything my size. It was like all large, extra large. So I was kind of bummed by that. And Delos actually saw my pants because I wore it the same day, and he's a really chill person, and just that whole experience was really cool. That same day he did like a pop-up with Ellie Kong, and I got something from his brand actually, and it's actually this Reckless Scholars hoodie. This brand is mostly based on London. Yeah, the creator is Ali Kong as also. Basically, it's like a regular hoodie, but it has like rhinestones. But these rhinestones don't really like sparkle as much. I think it's just a regular solid base sort of rhinestone, if that makes sense. This one's like silver. Then there's like black in between the wings. So yeah, it just says Reckless Scholars here, and then it has like a goblin on it. I think the graphic is like so fire. And then it just says Ellie Kong. I don't know if you can see it, but I also talk with him as well. He's like a really chill person. I like the way it fits. It's like a large, but like the body is like cropped sort of, and then the sleeves are like they fit right at your like fuck, I don't even know, but like it's like a good fitting hoodie, and the quality is like pretty good. It's not bad. Like it's kind of cozy. I really wanted it because it has like a gothic sort of style to it, and it's like sort of punkish. That's why I like it a lot. Like if I want to wear all black one day, I could just put this on, and it could go with like literally like anything. Now the last thing, second to last actually, I wore it on the pop-up as well, but I got this on Grilled. It said Japan/vintage on the listing, so I'm not 100% sure, but it's like a denim jacket, but it's like so fire. Like it has like patches of flowers. I honestly wanted like a denim jacket that's sort of has details to it, so it won't look like a regular denim jacket. It has like flowers inside, and it has like all over it's like cut and sewn patches. It's made from like denim pants, I'm pretty sure, because you can see the pocket here. It's like really good quality denim as well, and it has like a Balenciaga sort of fit to it. Like it's like cropped on the body, and then the sleeves are a little baggy. That's why I really love this denim jacket so much. And it's kind of like, I think it's stuffed inside because it feels kind of heavy. Other than that, I really like the fit of it. It's like super fire. I could wear this like anytime in the fall or even in the spring as well, and I'm just really happy I picked this up. The last thing I got is actually a necklace. I've been wanting to buy a necklace for a long time because I've been wearing this necklace, this Playboy necklace, for a long time, and I kind of got tired of it. Like I still am gonna wear it obviously, but like I wanted something else so I could switch it up in other outfits, and it's by Vivienne Westwood. This I got on Grilled as well. It was like, I think it was 100 I paid for it. I always wanted a Vivienne Westwood necklace. Like I love the design of it, and this one is just mainly black, all black, and it has the heart as well as like the Saturn ring on it, and then the cross on top. I think it's like super fire. It also has like little rhinestones on it. I don't know if you can tell, but like if the lighting shows, you can see it sparkle a bit. Honestly, I know it's a lot for just a necklace, and but I honestly just wanted a really fire necklace, and I think the Vivienne Westwood necklaces are really fire in my opinion. I know it has like a meaning towards it. The meaning is actually, it's inspired by British royal iconography and Harris tweed, hand-woven cloth made in Scotland to represent the importance of the past, and framed with the rings of Saturn to signify the future. So that's what basically it means, like basically past and future all in one. I think that's super fire, like the meaning behind it, and as well as the design, because I really like the heart and the Saturn rings on it. I think that's everything. Those are the main things that I like the most. If you guys like what I bought, or if you guys bought anything, let me know what you guys got for like the fall. So yeah, if you like this video, like and subscribe and comment if you want. You don't have to though, I understand. And like follow me on Instagram @BSteller. Hope you guys have a good day, and peace out you guys.